Today I will show you how to use the Puppet Warp tool in Photopea. So I have the image here. You go to Edit, choose Puppet Warp. You get the mesh. So put the anchor points first where the places where you don't want them to move, you want it to move, and then this one, I want to pull from here. Just pull it, right, left, however you want. If you want some part to not move, for example, these leaves here, put anchor points there, and then pull from the anchor point that I've put already. And that's it. It's very simple. Let me show you the tools. So here mode, rigid, is for more stiff kind of stuff like metal, cardboard, and distort is for more fluid like stuff. So usually normal is better. Density controls how specific you want the mesh to be. Like here, large, too much mesh. Small, less mesh. Expand, this talks about this is about the outer edge layer of the selection. So the more you put, the more Photopea will assist you in case objects like humans or animals where there is hair or fur involved, it will assist you more with these parts. So 2 to 5 is normally good. Show mesh, show it and remove it. Last thing, click the tick and you are done. Also, if you need more tips and tricks on how to use Photopea, please grab the free guide I have in the description. You'll find the link there. Also, if you want to watch more videos about Photopea and how to use it, click on the video that is showing on the screen right now or check out my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.